we are back. So I'm gonna sit here in front of the finish line and edit. Surreal experience. I'm even shy to film. Why I'm so shy? This YouTuber O2 Max. I will put link in the bio. He's sitting next to me here. And I'm just so shy to talk with him. I'm so stupid. Okay, back to edit. It's almost midnight. Finish editing my video. Every 5 minutes I'm filming, but it's great. I love to cheer people. In Chamonix at night. Second women. TDS. I like this. Basically, after running all night in Chamonix, you can go to club here. Where are the women? Top 3 women finishers. Should I even go to sleep or just stay here? I definitely should go. TDS looks at 2 a.m. I'm gonna go sleep. See you tomorrow. Welcome to next day. Look at those guys. Crazy. Things first. How many things I need to charge? People are still finishing TDS. It's like 1 p.m. First time I'm going to go to supermarket. Cheapest jam, strawberry, €1.25. Take it. Shopping haul. I spent €8. Peanuts with paprika, baby wipes, strawberry jam. A lot of this. It was so cheap. Like I paid €1 something for all of this. I hope it's good. And some cheap bread. Water I take from fountain, so not the best, but was cheap. Let's wait for the here. What a cute dog. Oh my god, I found Courtney. Wow, such a huge inspiration. Do you remember? That's Courtney, Dauwalter. It's so nice. I saw Courtney. Ah! This person is gonna win. That's my bet. Someone is still finishing.
Two victories so far in 2019 and 2021 here for the UTMB legends, ladies and gentlemen.
It's waiting for them. Eating the pudding, watching Elite. Runners. So small in the background. Nice.
UTMB indexad.
One more time for our UTMB elites. They'll be taking the start, toeing the line, Friday at 6 p.m. in front of the church here in Chamonix.
Oh my god, mountains! Walking in front of the creator of this race. The smell of pizza. But I spent €8 today, so no budget for that. I need to practice talking in public with my camera in front of me. Hello. Next runners. They run basically one entire day and next. Bravo! I need to constantly remind myself that I'm gonna, die. And nothing really matters. So just film in public, talk, you will improve and make better videos, be more comfortable in front of camera. No one cares. I did listen to this podcast with Alex Romosi, put a link in the bio. 3 generations later, no one remembers you. Just do what you wanna do. I don't know if I'm gonna put this into video. I should.
Polska, Poland. 08:32. Fiona Porta. After last year's stop in Natasha.
44 hours running, hiking, crazy. Family running together is the best. They're gonna premiere here some kind of film from Hoka and Jim Wamsley. But I need to create my own film, so see you tomorrow. Bye again. Now I'm gonna edit for a long time. It's so cold. I need to buy better sleeping bag for lower temperatures. Okay, quick thoughts. So what I see so far, trail running is gonna be bigger than ever in the future. This sport is gonna be huge. So I sit in this parking spot, my neighbors. Wow. Monaco, ILS. I'll definitely buy beautiful car.